So, hello friends, I'm Sagnik and you're watching Cyber Sagnik Tricks YouTube channel. So today I will show you that how to install toolbox or how to install toolbox 502 or all-in-one tools in TERMUX Android 2025. Okay, so watch till end, you will able to understand. So before watching this video, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest tricks and cyber security tricks and tech tricks. Okay, so without time waits, let's start the video. Let's go. First of all, when you open the termux, you have to type apt update. apt update. Okay, by the way, don't skip this video because all commands in this video. Okay, so after apt update, it could take a time little bit. So look, after finished, you have to type apt upgrade. It's all basic terminal commands. After it, you have to continue. It could take a time. If you new or if you old, it will not take a time. Okay, so after that, you have to click here apt install or pkg install anything. I'm typing, let me type pkg install or apt anything. So pkg install git. Okay, pkg install git, it finished. Now you have to type here. Now what you have to do, you have to type pkg install python, then it's so done. pkg install python 2. Okay, so it's also done. Now you have to type here git clone. I'm pasting some git clone, then enter. So all tool will install in one click. Now you have to type here ls. Now you have to find here the toolbox. Now you have to copy this and paste here cd paste toolbox. Now as you can see here, it's active. Now you have to type here ls. Now what you have to do, you have to click, or first of all you have to do pip or pip2 install -r requirements. Okay, you have to paste here. Okay, then you have to copy. So it could take a time little bit. So look, as you can see here, now again ls, you have to type here chmod plus x chmod plus x install .py. Okay, now paste here. Now enter, then again ls. Now as you can see, it's active. Now I have to copy again. Now python or python 2 install .py. When you click here, the all tool will be installed. Okay, so if I click here, there maybe I get problem from YouTube, so I don't want to get any kind of problem in YouTube. Okay, so that's it. In this way I can install, I can use, or cyber security working you can do here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.